My name is Jackie Lara in Angelica Prediction. Let's begin the story.
Don't you just love that show?
What show?
That's so nice. I love that. Look, watch it.
For my finishing move, I call it the sleeper.
Huh?
Very good, Sandy. You put your opponent to sleep in under 1 minute. Too bad your opponent didn't put up a fight. I was prepared to give you the lowest of belts, the clear belt. But now I realize you're unfit to wear a belt of any kind, including the one that holds up your pants.
Don't be disappointed, SpongeBob. A belt isn't the most important thing in karate.
Easy for you to say, Sandy. Your pants aren't down around your ankles.
And I'm revoking your black belt.
Hey, you can't do that.
Oh, yes, I can. For wasting my time, bringing me this sorry excuse.
Wasn't that a nice show?
Yes. What's a nice show?
It was for kids, right?
It was?
Yeah. We're not kids anymore.
Well, that was SpongeBob.
You're so stupid. Come on, let's go.
Bye.
Hurry up! I'm not gonna be wasting my time for you! Leave me there! We're going to the spa. Hello guys, my name is Mario.
And my name is Luigi.
Oh, Luigi fell. Look at us, he died. Okay.
I'm back, Mario, don't worry. I never leave you.
Okay, that's kind of creepy and weird. Well, me and Luigi, are searching for Turtle. We're gonna hunt him down. Because he is harassing girls.
Yes, we heard he's harassing girls, so we're gonna stop him because he just can't be new because he just missed us. And we are his Mario friends. Yep, we are his Mario friends, but, we gotta hunt him down. We're sorry, Toad. We're sorry. We're gonna hunt you down. For good.
Yucky. Yeah, shut up! Okay. You can follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Okay, thank you. We're gonna hunt down Toaddown if any girl died, okay? Thank you. The dark side.
Who said that? There it goes. Ah! The Mario crew.
Shut up!
You just shut up, bitch! Get him! Hurry! Yeah! Let go! I'm gonna be famous! Sorry, we're gonna hunt Mario. Shut up! The lady, she's been killed. We gotta take her to the hospital. Come on. Let's take Toad. Hurry up! Come on, hurry up! Before we cause any more trouble. Oh my god, come on! Come on, make us more trouble. Hurry! Toadline's dead! Fine! Dead! I want to keep on with us for experiment. Come on, guys! It's so dark in here! I can't see a thing! I can't see a shit, bitch! I can't see anything! Oh my god!
I'm sorry, but your person does not answer. Just leave a message. Stupid Torlight's not answering.
Why are you calling Torlight for?
Just shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Why are you calling Torlight?
You need to tell us something.
Oh, she's been killed.
What?
Yeah, she's been killed.
How?
Show on the news.
Who watches the news?
I don't know, we just said. Stand up correctly, you little thing. You better go find Torlight before something bad really happens to her. Go find her.
Your crew went to
Go find her because maybe they took her. We're like, oh, why are you taking me for?
You're coming with me.
It's a beautiful day outside. Oh my god, I'm so disgusting. I should brush my hair. I just woke up in the morning, okay? You know, I do brush my hair, but I just woke up in the morning. up in the morning, so don't bother me. Gotta brush my hair and I'll be back. Wait, is that Jack and Laura? The Deuce? What the hell are they coming to my house for? Okay. Hey, Cleo. Ah! Why are you taking me?
We're going to find Coraline.
It's so dark here. I'm leaving.
No.
No,
Stay.
I gotta leave, okay? Bye. I don't want to stay here, because you guys just kept me for no reason.
You're gonna get raped from Toad. Because we're trying to find Torla, and we can't find her, so we need your help.
Fine. This is what I hate. I hate all of you.
Cleo, just shut
Cleo,
up.
come on. We have
Shut
so
up.
much fun, Cleo. Okay, fine.
This is not a love show.
Shut up and just go to sleep, okay? Because we're camping in the woods. Shut up! Just go to sleep, okay? Plus, your undies are showing. Your undies are showing. They're like showing, okay, Trick and Laura? Do you want that? Do you want those undies to show? Huh? Do you want those undies to show?
Just shut up.
Okay, fine. Then go to sleep then. Morning. I hate mornings. I always wake up late in mornings, but who cares? I don't care about the morning. Oh my gosh! He's gonna harass me! Oh my gosh!
I'm Snow White.
Get away from my house! Let's get out of here!
Snow White, they have creepy eyes.
Get away from me, you freaking bitch! It's so dark. It's so dark, I can't see nothing.
People, this is a commercial by Cleo's Fantasy. We bought it in Walmart. Box.
I'm gonna leave. She's coming for me. She's gonna stop me.
You're zombie, right?
Oh. Morning, guys. Should we go now?
No.
Can we go?
No, we're gonna stay
know
here
that
until
we're
the rest of the night.
You know we're not gonna find Shoreline. Come
we
on,
are.
let's go find her. We gotta go trap the woods. This is the woods, dumbass. Whatever. Come on. Check it out, both of you! Come on, run before you go! Check it out! No, we're leaving you there. That rapist woman's coming.
I just run away. Come on, free this girl.
In this little hole. We can fit. In this little hole. Wait! One by one, you. I go first. Hey, is that Laguna? Hey, Laguna.
Okay, we can put the plate.
Hurry! Before the rapist comes! Hurry! Hurry! She might be coming! Hurry!
What?
Hurry, Turkey, we're just getting...
Oh my God!
I'm just scared!
Wait.
Oh, grab it! Come on! Come on! Get out of there! Oh my gosh! Okay!
Okay, I guess she's dead.
Are you sure?
I killed your sister already.
My sister?
Yes, Nefra.
She's not dead. She's at home.
She's over there.
She's at home. I'm not here. I'm not asleep.
Oh, before I pick you with my...
I'm gonna kill her. You're a piranha, you dumb thing. Laguna. What the hell is she doing?
Ooh. I'm ready to date it.
What the hell? I'm gonna kill her. can't throw her. Come on. Let's get a chicken dinner. Just leave her dead body.
No, she's still alive.
Okay, come on. Let's go. Ah, the camera fell. The camera.
What?
Oh, get it. Move. Ah. Okay, let's go.
Okay, should we go back home?
No, you said you were going to find Tora, you dumbass.
Fine. Do I have something on my nose?
Yeah, you got something in your nose.
Don't tell me this is a booger. Okay, I got that out. Let me just put more lip gloss.
Okay, we're leaving you. Come on.
I'm coming with my pitchfork.
Why are you fucking hitting me with a pitchfork for?
So I could kill the moody girl.
She can't be here anymore, right? No, I don't think so. I just throw her over there. Is she over there? Oh, she is. I hope she survives.
Julia, are you still alive?
Julia, no! Julia! Julia! She's dead. Oh my god! I think she's coming back! Come on! Get out of here! Guys! Oh my gosh! Guys, come on! At least we
Hey
survived.
guys, we came back with no
Good,
food.
I hope you're alive.
Yeah, but we came.
What happened? What happened? What happened? Where's your face? Just put it on you.
I found food.
Tied it up.
Let's close the door.
There you go. Okay, at least we survived. From that thing who killed Julia. Yeah, because we wouldn't be all dead and we wouldn't say Goo. What's your name? Toralei. Yeah, that thing. I'm gonna go to sleep now. You wouldn't take me, Jackie Laura. You wouldn't take me.
I brought my video.
Okay, find your little radio. You guys okay? Are you guys okay? Okay, we can stay safe. We'll see you guys in the next episode to see what happened to Julia and Toralei. See you in the next episode, guys.